Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 10th, 2011. It's a Monday, but hey, at least high pressure is in control as high pressure is basically starting to reposition itself over Pennsylvania this morning. And that means we have excellent weather conditions throughout the northern mid-Atlantic for your morning commute, unless you're off today for Columbus Day. So let's take a look at the current temperatures as of 7:43 a.m. and you could see we have lows in the upper 40s over portions of the interior, specifically around northeastern Pennsylvania on through the Hudson River Valley. However, the rest of the northern mid-Atlantic can expect temperatures ranging anywhere from the mid to upper 50s for temperatures this morning. Enjoy these temperatures while they last because it's going to be beautiful this afternoon, but a major change is on the way. We can see that major change already starting to develop over the southeast coast. We have an area of low pressure, a cold core area of low pressure. In other words, this is not a tropical cyclone in any way, shape, or form, but is in fact a cold core low pressure system, which is basically like this low pressure system. So you can see here this low pressure system is drawing in a tremendous amount of moisture from the Caribbean Sea and from the tropical Atlantic. And this low pressure system is going to slowly track to the north towards the northern mid-Atlantic over the next several days. However, for today through tomorrow afternoon, high pressure will remain in control, producing very tranquil and pleasant weather conditions. How about highs in the 70s and 80s? We could even see a few more records this afternoon, especially over portions of the New York City and Philadelphia metro, like your urban locations like Newark, for example, could push into record high temperatures once again. So obviously it's a very nice treat, a brief Indian summer, you could say, for the start of this week. But again, don't get too used to it because heavy rain is on the way. So let's take a look at the model guidance. I'm using the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. And you can see high pressure is in control for this evening, continuing on through tomorrow. However, high pressure will start to give way as our area of low pressure starts to track north along the coast. Now this disturbance, I guess you could call it almost a subtropical disturbance because there are a few minor tropical characteristics with this low pressure system, will track north because of this trough and the disturbances that are developing in the southern plains, producing what we call a negatively tilted trough, which means the trough axis is from southwest to southeast to northwest, which means the upper level winds are coming up this way from the south. So this area of low pressure that is developing along the southeast coast will be forced north towards the northern mid-Atlantic starting Tuesday night and will push into the Philadelphia metropolitan area and New York City metropolitan area by Wednesday morning, making for a rather ugly rush hour on Wednesday morning. The good news is that the heaviest rainfall will be focused on Wednesday morning into Wednesday early afternoon, where I'm expecting anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain. You can see the area of low pressure sitting right over the Baltimore and Philadelphia metropolitan area on Wednesday evening. Thereafter, the disturbance that was in the plains will track towards the east coast and develop into a powerful upper level low with a surface low over parts of the Great Lakes, and that will produce the threat for scattered showers from Wednesday evening on through Friday afternoon, with clearing conditions by Friday evening, and then high pressure will be in control for this weekend, providing excellent weather conditions, although cooler than what we saw this weekend. That's your morning forecast discussion for October 10th, 2011. Have an excellent day and stay safe out there. As always, you can find the latest information on the weather for the northern mid-Atlantic at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook.